welcome back in the kitchen. And Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe ideas and tips. Anyway, today is Sunday, and you know what I mean, as I said before, we marinate the chicken and we want to do some southern fried chicken today for Sunday dinner, and I'm going to show you how to fry it, and you guys are going to be loving it. Enjoy the ideas and tips and the recipe, and I know you guys will love it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy your Sunday evening and don't go anywhere. Alright? Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So basically we're going to do the southern fried chicken today for Sunday dinner. One thing I must say, I have 5 eggs right here, 2 and 2 and 1, 5, as you can see, 5 yolks. Then what I'm going to do is pop roughly about a little bit of milk in it. That's it. And then simple, put roughly about a teaspoon of mixed herb in it like this. Lovely. And use the whisk and give it a lovely whisk like this. So 5 eggs and roughly about 1/4 cups of milk. Give it a whisk. Good whisk, alright? Then after you do that, I'm gonna give it the next level. What you're gonna do next is get a piece of a grease-proof paper and lay it on a piece of tin sheet like this. Alright? Give you an easier way, or you can do some southern fried chicken at home. Next thing, go to the shop and buy this one. Original chicken fry mix. You can use some plain flour and put some seasoning in it. But the only thing why I've been doing this today, because I got this in my cupboard and I want to use them up. I got 2 of them inside here and they're only 300 gram. Original chicken fry mix. Alright? So basically I'm not going to show the name, I'm just showing you what's the title of it. Original chicken fry mix. You can get this in the supermarket to buy and make your fried chicken at home. Or you can get some plain flour and add a little bit of mixed herb to it and flour your chicken and fry it. So I'm just doing a little bit of shortcut right here. Nice one. So as you can see, I got 2 pack right there. Put this on the side. This is the chicken which we marinated from 24 hours ago. Let's move it quickly, and as you can see how the chicken look, lovely and nice. And what we're going to do now is give you an easier way. Is this? Look now. First thing, make sure you got on the gloves. All right. And then what you're gonna do, some people do it all different kind of way. You can simple dip it into your egg wash like this, and then dip into your flour, your bread mix right here. You know, you can use some bread mix, as I say, flour mix. Shake it off, and I want to say, lay it on a piece of tin grease-proof paper like this. So you want to put the flour for it to rest. And there's another way why some people normally do it. They do it this way. They flour it. But in Jamaica, we doesn't do it this kind of way. And then they egg wash it. Alright? And then flour it back. But that's too much work. Alright? So shake it off and put it right on the grease-proof paper. This is just an easier way. Egg wash and dip it straight inside of your flour. And the only thing, you can go to any local shop and buy some fried chicken mix and make your fried chicken at home. That's an easier way. And lay it on a grease-proof paper, and we're going to do all of the chicken that kind of way. All right. Lovely. Nice and lovely. So basically, I finished all of the chicken, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces of chicken, and as I said, 2 buckled 600 grams of fry mix and 5 eggs. All right. So basically, this is, you just chuck this in the bin, wash them up, and that's it. All right. Then we're gonna show you how to fry them. Nice one. So basically, I put 2 buckle of oil inside of my frying pan. You can use your kind of oil if you want to use olive oil, or if you want to use coconut oil, or you know what I mean, which is more healthier, you can do that. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to give you a few little secrets what you can do. So right here I have 1 chili straight inside of the oil, and this is 1 whole of garlic. If you notice, all you need to do is make sure you wash it off and make it dry. Put it straight inside of the oil and few time. So we're gonna make that fry for about 2 seconds, and then we're gonna start to fry our chicken. All right. Nice. So basically, as you can see, now we're going to start fry our chicken. Don't make your oil too hot. You want your oil to hot, but not too double hot. All right. When you put it in, it's supposed to look like this. So you're gonna see it start to cook. It's on a perfect medium-sized heat at the moment. You don't want your oil to be too really hot, you know what I mean, because you're not gonna fry the chicken the way you want to fry them. You want to have it on a nice temperature. So I'm gonna just put in some chicken. As you can see, exactly what I talk about, guys. All right. So you can see. Yeah. I'm showing you can fry some lovely chicken at home. Beautiful and nice. You can see all chili pepper on top. Really nice. So we're gonna make them fry for roughly about 12 minutes, and then we're gonna look at them and seriously, alright? Anyway, I saw the chicken them look. Yeah? So what basically what I'm gonna do, I'm going to be cutting out these ones, and I'm gonna finish them off in the oven for about 10 minutes. Alright. Yeah. One. We're gonna fry these one now. Nice. So basically right here I have it, I just rest them right here on a piece of a napkin to get rid of some of the grease out of the chicken, alright? So basically what I'm going to do now, then I lay a piece of a grease-proof paper right here inside of this thin sheet, as you can see. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply take them out and lay them like this. And what I'm going to do now is just finish them off inside of the oven for about 10 minutes on gas mark 7. or 8. Yeah, depends on the kind of oven. Some people use an electric oven, which is gonna be taking probably about 165 to 175 for about 12 to 15 minutes inside of the oven. So as you can see, exactly how this chicken looking so lovely and nice. So anyway, it's just the tips and idea of things that you can do at home, and you know what I mean, that's the way Chef Ricardo work. So as you can see, this is the original southern fried chicken from Chef Ricardo for your Sunday dinner. Nice and lovely. So right here, that's the chicken right here, guys, looking so lovely and nice. And basically I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes and gas mark 8 or 7. If you're using electric oven, 165 is good for it for about 12 minutes. So enjoy it and subscribe, leave your comments below. So I just take it from the oven, and as you can see, it's looking totally different and they are perfect. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just put them on a plate and make you guys see the way they look on the plate. Alright, enjoy it. So I just plate it up into a plate, and as you can see, the way it's looking so lovely, nice and beautiful, guys. Anyway, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. We got a lot more ideas, recipe, and more fried chicken will be coming, so stay tuned. Thank you so much, and this is the All You Can Do Your Sunday Dinner Chicken from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.